Hey guys, welcome to my channel. First of all, I would like to say that today's video is not only for women but also for every man who cares for their woman who's in his life. Today's topic is PCOS. Basically, PCOS is a hormonal disbalance which usually affect 1 out of 10 women, and the 45% of the women rate is suffering from this disease. So today I'll tell you some of the yoga poses to cure the PCOS, which will open up the pelvic area and promote relaxation. So in our last video, we already highlighted some of the herbal cure, diet and a good lifestyle to cure PCOS. You can go and have a look and you can follow the yoga routine along with that. So without wasting any more time, let's get started.
So let's start our workout for PCOS. Let's stretch our spine. Hands in your Gyan Mudra. Breathe in and out. Again in and out. Deep exhale and inhale for 1 to 2 minutes. Now stretch your spine to your left. Hold for a while. And then to your right. Now slowly come back. Now fold your hands at the back and bend forward. Again hold for a while. And then come back. So now curve your spine. Hip should be moved outward. See towards the ceiling. And then push your back outward and move down. Chin to your neck. Keep your breathing normal. Again towards your ceiling. Hip should be moved outward and then again back. Stretch outward. You can do this for 3 to 4 times. You can increase your speed. Now gradually come back. Bring your legs forward. Now gradually bring your hands up. Pull your stomach in. And then slowly go down. And hold for at least 30 seconds. Try to touch your chin below your knees. Your back should be straight. Now slowly come back and lay down. So we'll switch to Halasana. Legs at the back. Try to touch your foot to the floor and hold. And then slowly come back. Now it's time for Sarvangasana. Stretch your legs up, hand on your back and move up. And hold this asana for a few breaths. Keep your breathing normal. You can hold this asana for at least 30 seconds. And if you find difficulty to hold this asana, then you can come back. And then slowly come back. So now we'll do butterfly pose. Grab your feet, fold your hands under your foot. Now start moving your knees upward and downward. You can do butterfly pose for at least 1 minute. Keep your breathing normal. Bring your knees up and down. Again up and down. Now after practicing for 1-2 minutes, grab your knees with your hand up, inhale up and exhale down. Try to push your knees to your floor. Again up and then down. This will give a deep stretch on your thighs. Again bring up and down. Now spine should be straight and touch the hands with floor. Come on your elbow and hold this pose for a few seconds. Now come back. Let's start now with Chakki Chalan. Join your hands and start rotating in circular motion, clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Practice this for 20 to 30 times. This is good for bending, your gut health, or for any hormonal disease. Keep doing. It will give a deep impact on your body. Try to go down as maximum as you can. Now bring your legs back and then sit in Vajrasana or child pose. Just take the moment in child pose. Bring your awareness in the present moment. Just be seated in child pose as long as you can. So now we'll do Ustrasana. Hands on your feet and then bring your second hand to your feet. Arch back. Try to see at your back. Keep holding this pose. Now slowly come back and rest in child pose or Vajrasana. Now we'll switch to cat and cow pose. Hands should be straight. Inhale while you see up to the sky and exhale while going down. Again inhale and exhale. Repeat this for 3 to 4 times. Now again come back and relax in child pose. Keep your breath normal. Now lay down flat on your stomach. Place your hands at your side and slowly move up to Bhujangasana. Keep holding Bhujangasana so you can hold this posture as much as you can. Now gradually come back and again rest. Place your elbow on the floor and see forward. Don't stretch your back too much. If you are comfortable in this pose, then see towards your ceiling. And then gradually come back and rest for a while. Now we'll switch to Dhanurasana. Grab your feet from your back and by inhaling go up in Dhanurasana and hold this pose as much as you can. If If you feel a deep stretch in your back, you can come back. If not, then you can hold for more 30 seconds. Slowly come back. Now lay down. You can do rolling. If you feel stretch,